function. Okay, how to apply pivot function again. So this is a simple data set. Okay, so wherein we have country name. Okay, so dummy data, and then we have markets name. Okay, so what we will do is that we will apply a pivot to this. Okay, we'll apply pivot to this and then see what all analysis can be done out of it. Okay, so I'm just selecting this entire data set. As you know that we can apply a shortcut to this. That is your Alt B. PP is one option. Okay, or you can directly go to the insert function and then apply a pivot table, right? Pivot table like this. Okay, so so I'm just selecting the entire data and then Alt B. Okay. So applying a pivot to the existing data set. Okay, so you want to create in a new worksheet, then automatically a new worksheet will appear. Or if you want to work in this same worksheet, that is the existing worksheet, then you need to click over here and then you need to give a range, or you need to select one cell wherein you want to apply your pivot. Okay, so it's entirely depend on you which option you need to. So I'll just take a new worksheet option. Okay, I'll just hit a finish button. Okay, as you can see it here, right? A new worksheet itself created. Okay, and then we have the headings, the headings, column headings were there, right? So all these column headings is now appeared over here in this field. Okay, so in this pivot table field list. Okay, so country name, markets, and all the month of data. Okay, so either you can see it like this, the four quadrants like this, like report filter, column levels, row levels, and values, or you have other options as well. If you want to change and you want to keep your field list something like this, then you can also do this. Okay, the field sections only. Okay, there is one option. Then the area section only. Okay, and then 1/4. Okay, so these are the various options that you can list your data. Okay, in the field list. Okay, so this and this are widely used actually. Okay, and where we can see all the measures and then all the filter options over here. Okay, so let's say I'm just selecting one data over here. Let's say we'll select a country name. Okay, so either you want to put it over here in the report filter, so that by here itself you can apply the filters. Okay, so if you apply the filter, let's say in country 1, so all your data, the numbers will showcase for country 1 only. Okay, for the subsequent measures. If I apply market here in the row level, so here only the country 1 data only appear. Okay, so I'll just if we'll just apply these numbers, these are all country 1 numbers. If we'll unselect or deselect the country 1 and select multiple items, that is country 1 and country 2, okay, then you can see that your number has increased. Okay, so as you can see it over here, right? And there is a drawback with this report filter. If you select report filter into this, if you select any measures in the report filter, you'll not be able to identify which all multiple items you have selected, whether it's one item, whether it's 2 items, more than 2 items, or 5 items, you'll not be able to see it. But if you select this here in the row level, you'll be able to see which all measures you have selected into the report filter. Into the for this measures. Actually, we have selected two measures here, country 1 and country 2, but it will not be visible over here in the report filter option. It will always show us multiple items. Okay. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Fine. Yeah. And now, as you can see it over here, right? We can see the data over here as well. Okay. So I'll just deselect one more time, and then let's select only one country. Okay. All your data has been, uh, it's coming over here. Okay. Let's say, okay. And let's say I'm selecting it over here. Country name. Okay. Country 2 as well. So now this is looking, okay, this is, it's readable actually. Okay, this is the total of this one. Okay, and this is the total of this. Okay, but there is another option. Okay, in the design, if you can go, okay, so these are pivot table options in design. Okay, so if you will see that, if you want to see it in a compact, there are other views also wherein you can use those, and then your data uh, will be showcased in a very clear format. Okay, if you'll show it in a compact form, this is already a compact form. Okay, so in outline form, so you'll see that it will be in the outline form. Okay, where then the country rows, it will be only countries data. Then in the markets rows, it will be only the markets data. Okay, there is another way, that is your tabular form. Okay, so in this you are actually getting the totals. Okay, and okay, so what happens is that we can remove the, and there are other two options, that is repeat all items and do not repeat all items. So for this, this will be more user friendly to see, because you will see your data in a distinct columns. Okay, and if you're finding it difficult to read this grand totals and then country total, it making confusing. What you can do, you can go to subtotal option, and you can see that do not show subtotals. Okay, so it will remove your subtotals. Next is, if you want to of grand totals, it will also, you can remove the grand totals. Okay, and then you can repeat the items. Okay, so this is for all the country one data, so you can repeat it, the measures over here. If you do not want, want it as a clean, then you can say that we do not repeat, do not repeat the items. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, fine. So there is option of hiding the field list. Okay, so if you select your, or if you put your cursor, or sorry, if you put your cursor in other cells, which is not part of the pivot table, then the field list will get hidden. Okay. Now, if you click into the any part of the pivot table, it will open. If not, then it will be gone. Okay. Or by manually, if you want to hide it when you are in pivot table also, you can just hide the field list. It will work. Okay, so let's just repeat all the items. Okay, now let's say we need to let's say we need to do some let's say we need to sum all the country one data into one. Okay, and all the country data into two. All the country two data is in one single cell. Okay, so here it is possible. Okay, if you just apply subtotals, it is possible actually. Okay, it is possible actually here. Okay, but let's say if we want to apply any summary function, okay, to see whether it is working correctly or not. See, it's selected. Range. Okay, and criteria you have selected, that is your country one. freeze it, and then the sum value. So 4741470. 4741470. We'll drag the formula for the other option, that is country 2. That is also possible. Right? 4244142. That is for the month of Jan. Okay, if we'll just drag it, we'll get it for the month of Feb as well. 4565927 4381 9396. Right? So likewise, you can add all the numbers here. So now let's say you want to do it for market, irrespective of the country. Okay, let's say you just want to do the market. What you can do, again, you can write the function sumf, okay, your range, you can select your range. Okay. Right there. So function value. So market is actually market 1 and market 2. Okay, this plus this plus this. Okay, this is 2870089. Okay, so it's coming properly. Okay, so whatever the formulas that you are applying and then to get the analysis, that also can be done using the pivot function. Okay, so so if you have large data set and then you need to present your data in a very concise or in a very concise manner or format, so pivot is the best way to present your data. Okay, then there are some inbuilt function as well. Okay, inbuilt function which will actually available. Okay, wherein you can use those functions and then to get your calculations done. Okay, so if I talk about okay. Okay, so here these are formulas or formulas which will be used actually to use some calculations. Okay, so here is no calculation right now. So if you have to write the percentage of brand total, you can also get it. Okay, percentage of brand total, or it will just a difference from Jan to the date. Okay, so we actually trying to find out the difference from Jan. Okay, so this is actually the same with that. So we're not able to got the value here for this one. Okay, but for this plus this is actually 1764076. Okay, so this is actually finding the difference from the Jan values, as it is same. So it is 0 here, as 176 is greater than 135 some numbers by this much value. Okay, and this value is greater than 135 by 27, 272, 482. Okay, so this is how this been calculated. Okay, there are other options as well which you can explore. Okay, yeah. So now all other options. Okay, if you have to calculate the growth. Okay, let's say you want to calculate the growth. Jan to Feb.